In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 18.04, 19.04. So, first of all, we will go ahead and launch the terminal, and we will quickly update everything. Sudo apt get update and upgrade. So let it be, enter a password and let it be done. On your system it may take longer. I think I'm almost done here. So let's see what happens. It's trying to read the package and we are done. Now let's go ahead and install VS Code with snap. So simply type sudo, not apt, okay, snap install classic and then code. So code is basically short for Visual Code, and then hit enter. This is going to install the stable one. So here we are. Now Snap makes it very easy to install a lot of applications on Ubuntu now, and I think this is going to be very user friendly for beginners and anybody who wants to use Ubuntu. Okay, we are almost done, 70% now. If you want, you can pause the video. And here we are. Or forward the video. Yeah. So it's got everything here. It's trying to set up now. And we have code here. So let's go ahead and check few things. And I'm quickly going to get into desktop, and then I've got a folder here. Change it. And if I say code, let's see if it's going to open or not. And here we have Visual Studio Code. It's working. And if you want, you can go ahead and pin it to the here we are. So okay, what happened? There's something wrong already. So this is Visual Studio Code, and it's now very easy to install on Ubuntu. You can go ahead and check here as well. Simply type code and you have Visual Studio Code. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.